People, now well done. We thank Baba God when they allow us see another day. Today, we go to yarn about the Man City issues. The issues when they happen for Man City, example for Africa, we go to see a spiritual problem. But so far, I no go lie on God. The matter is, it moves me, they shock me. Because I don't ever believe say Man City go lose 5 games in a row. If anybody tell me the current Man City under Guardiola, I no fit believe they go lose 5 games in a row, but the thing don't happen. But so far, no be say that they play badly, but so kind thing just they happen may make them they lose. But another thing when I can't reason, now only Rodri injure. Now they already do like this, so only Rodri and your injure for their team. Then they don't lose form like this. They know they feel they win match, they lose guard anyhow. So you can't wonder. Say 2 seasons ago when Arsenal fans they say as Saliba injury make them no win league. Everybody they cause them, see they don't know what they do. They over the talk, say who be Saliba. Normally, get when once where player go good reach, the player no day, it go affect the full team. Then they do Man City. So Rodri, he be like God for that Man City team. Normal level. Now so Saliba beat to Arsenal that 2 seasons ago. As you say, Saliba did that team Arsenal for win that league. It's too obvious for everybody to see. But when Arsenal fans they talk and that, I remember some people they shut them up, saying, "Lie, who be this one? Who be that one?" Say no level. But everybody they say now. Now God remain all day so Man City no fit play ball 5 games in a row. Even Guardiola confused. Guardiola no even know what to do as he be now. But I know say right Man City up. Now Man City will be the talk so they go see rise. Now waiting me you believe they will see rise. And not only that one, January transfer window they come, they go see buy. They go buy some kind of players won't be say nobody expects they go your buy. Before you know they go pick. Even before then say they go still pick. It be like this Savinho now. I know say the guy never score because Savinho no a bad player. Anytime they watch the guy they play, they remind me of Mahrez. I know since when I sign I never score for them. That one no doubt. But that guy no be bad player. Something is there. If you dey watch the guy they play, you go know say something dey there. A gym dey for there. But anyhow, when we dey see how this thing go be. So far, Liverpool you're the top, they won't carry the league, they go for entire November. But no wahala. Many games still dey to play, Many games. Man City they get injury crisis, they don't overcome. Arsenal don't still get their own, but they don't still overcome. Liverpool never really get injury crisis, this season, They just say they lucky with injuries, But make we see, games still many to play for the league. Make we know go win the league at the end of the day. But me, so far, I don't dey write up anybody. Mostly this Man City team, I don't feel ever write them off. They're too good to write them off, and they do get experience to write them off. People, do